Hi, I'm Troy Cummings, the owner of Home Membership. Our warranty claim process has been improved immensely by having our warranty claims go through our website or service portal. We understand this may seem like an inconvenience to some members, but it's already proven to be a faster and more efficient way to get our members' home warranty claims serviced as quickly as possible. So much so, we've already seen an increase by 3 hours on our average response time, and we've seen a reduction of the number of times our service providers have to return to our members' property for service. By you providing additional details, pictures, and documentation, it allows our service providers to prepare more efficiently before coming to your home. Also, to help speed up your warranty claim even more, be sure to have your deductible payment ready to give to the service provider when they arrive to your home. Thank you for being a member of Homeowners.